What we have here today, Tuesday, July 11th, 2017, is of course a Bun Special video. Written, directed, edited by Bun Special, graphics by Bun Special, stunts by Bun Special. And legal disclaimer, this video is performed by an amateur. Do not attempt at home. No watches were harmed in the making of this video, for entertainment only. Oh, here's the watch. What time is that? 5:55. Whatever. Let me get this out of the way before I lose it. Okay, damn it. We got a pocket watch, movement only. It doesn't appear to run. Well, the balance is good. The staff is good, I'm saying, but you know, it just doesn't want to. It gets hung up. So I looked through it, you know, inside here. And I don't know, either the roller jewel is too big, or the little thing on the pallet lever is hitting the roller table. So I'm gonna find out what it is. Mainspring is wound up, so we have to first let down the mainspring. But to do that, I've got to take the dial off, and then, you know, because that's the only way to get to the click. Let's see if we can I'll fold this piece of plastic over, take the hands off. Let's see if they come off nicely. Oh, they did. Well, that's nice. And this is to... It wasn't that side at all. Ah, freaking phone. Freaking phone. Okay. Got my... This minute hand doesn't look good. Get these out of the way. Get this out of the way. Let's see now. Okay, we have to take the this pins. Pins holding the dial on. Wow. This watch, okay, has been taken apart. Let's use different tweezers. These are a more robust pair. Wow, doesn't want to come out. Ah, that's tight. Okay, let's see if this one goes. Got one of them out. There's three, but one of them is missing. So it's just this one over here that doesn't want to cooperate. So I'm going to have to push it. And what I've learned from pushing them out is that if you're not careful, they will fly away from you. You know, why am I screwing around? Get the profanity. Let's get a real movement holder. Oh man. Let's use this movement holder. Damn it. Damn it. I gotta back out just a little bit. A little bit more. Let's see. Oh, it's a real long one too. You know, it's a real long pin in there, so I know when I push on it, it's probably gonna bend. Damn, that is long. It's long and thin. I gotta see if I can pull it out this way then. No, it keeps on slipping. Wow, it just keeps on slipping. What about these? Can I grab it with these? Whoops. No, I can't grab it with these. Damn it. You know? Wow, that's in tight. Holy crap. What these people do? Let's see if I can find something better. Oh, crap. You know, sometimes when you work on this old stuff, I use these snips because these will give a little bite into that freaking pin. Oh, no, it doesn't seem to work. Oh yeah, it did work. Damn. Ah, and it shot away anyway. Damn it. Oh, there it is. I don't know if you can see how long and thin that sucker is. You gotta spend time on stuff that shouldn't be spent on. All that effort just to remove the freaking pin. Okay, now the dial comes off. And now we flip the movement over. Right, we got the balance. Okay. Let's see. There's the click. I'm gonna need. What am I gonna need? I need a key. A key and a pen. Let's use this pen. Key and a pen. Huh, maybe I should take the balance off first. I'm lazy. How are we gonna do this now? I'm gonna do it like this. Key and a pin. Wait, let me take off this before it falls off and I lose it. Because that's what will happen. Dial's in the way. Let me get the dial out of the way. So what I have to do is, which way do you wind this? Okay, that way. You gotta give a little bit of a wind, and then there's a hole in this clicky thing that you stick a pin in, and then you push up. Wow. Did a little bit. Did I do it all? I think that was it then. There wasn't much on that. Well, that was it. Huh. Okay. Felt like there was more. I put the pin back so I don't lose it. Okay, so now I'm going to take the balance off. I don't know, maybe you didn't see, but I'm going to flip it over this way. I don't know. Yeah, this is the thing. There's a little hole there, so I just pushed it that way. Of course it moves. Everything moves. Now let's take the balance off. Let's see, big screwdriver. Wow, lighting sucks in this place. Oh, I forgot to loosen that little tiny screw. I can't see it. I need better magnification. Let's see. Everything moves. Okay. Now I saw it. Now let me take this off. Gotta knock that stud out of the hole. And there it is. Huh. That's nice. And now I can take the balance out. Pivots are good. Huh. Okay. Continue. Oh, we've got to be careful. And the next one. We got to be careful. Take out the screw. And the plate. The cover. Oh, that comes off easy. And the main spring barrel. And it comes off easy too. Or did it? Well, it always gets, some of them get hung up. Because they just leave enough clearance. Almost there. Let's see. Whoops. And another 2 screws. I was wondering if you can use these screws over there too. And I can't forget this case one. I don't know what happened to the case on this watch. Maybe it was gold or silver and they melted it. Who the hell knows what these people do. Okay, so now this should come off. Oh, that's easy too. You gotta be careful about the lever. Oh, one of those pins is busted. Damn. The banking pin is broken. I didn't notice that before. That stinks. Oh, it looks like it's 15 joules. I have to get another one of those banking pins somewhere. Okay, so this is what I think the problem is. Let's see if we can focus in on this. Will it be kind enough? Yeah. See the way that pin is all the way to the left? The way it's bent like that? I think it's rubbing against the roller table. I mean, look how much that's bent. I figured it should be close to perpendicular. So, how do I straighten it? Well, let's see. I'm going to use tweezers, I guess. Are you going to watch me straighten it? Probably not, because I have to use better magnification to see what I'm doing. I ain't going to do it with 5x. I mean, no, I think those things I wear are 2 or 3x. That's just not enough. Well, maybe I should pause this. I'm going to pause this. Wow, I don't know about you, but I'm on the edge of my seat on this one. You know, what's going on? Is this the problem? Anyway, to make things clearer, I had my graphics department put something together for me. Took them a long time to do it, but they finally pulled through. What do we have? Okay, the situation we have now with the watch. Oops, let's go to this picture. Let's see. See, the things on the screen. Okay, this is the current situation as I see it. Where's a pointer? I'm going to use this pencil as a pointer. Oh, let's see. This is kind of reversed the way I showed the lever in my hand, but this is the lever. Okay, this is like a top view. There's the lever. I didn't draw the little jewels over here, but the jewels are, you know, sticking out somewhere over here. Whatever. This is the roller table. Oh, see, I put all the terms over in this picture. The lever, roller jewel, guard pin, roller. Here's the current situation. See, the thing is, this guard pin here is bent over, and I believe it's touching the roller table right here in the cutout, you see. That's why it doesn't want to run. And if you looked at the, when I pulled it out of the watch, you can see the pin is bent like that towards the roller table. So, but in a normal watch, the pin is straight up and down. I wonder if I can zoom in. Should I zoom in? I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. Where's the button? Yeah, something's touching me. Damn visors. Anyway, yeah, the guard pin in the normal watch is basically, you know, perpendicular to the lever, and it doesn't touch the table at all. This is when the balance at rest, no power on the mainspring. Okay. And oh, another picture. Just to say what the purpose of this guard pin and cutout in the roller table are. Let's see if this will show that. Let's say you know, the thing's rotated. Let's say this way. You know, it moved the lever over, blah blah blah. What happens in that case is the pin is over here. Now I guess they had a problem when you get a little bump on the watch, and this thing is free to move back the other way because there was nothing stopping it. So that's what this pin does. If the thing gets bumped and this lever wants to go back that way, the pin will hit against the roller table, and that will prevent it from moving. Now you may ask, well, if the pin hits the roller table, wouldn't the watch stop because of the friction? Well, very good question. If you ever looked at one of these roller tables, the edge around here is like rounded, and it's really highly polished, like a mirror finish on this sucker, so to minimize any friction, so it doesn't stop it. It maybe slows it down a little bit, but not enough to stop it. And then when the jewel comes back in over here, the cutout clears for it, and then the thing swings the other way. So that's the deal with the watch. I got a case for the watch too. I had another movement that wasn't worthy of a case, so I got a case. Anyway, back to our regular scheduled program. Of course it's not to scale, and then that's the blah blah blah. Oh yeah, and then there's sections. There's some sections. This is the section. The section looking that way, so that's why that looks like that. Anyway, thank you for. Whoa, I'm not done yet. Now we go back to our regular scheduled programming. Yeah, I straightened it a little bit. I don't know if you can see. I made it straighter. The only thing I think of why they bent that is, you know, so it does its job. Protect, keeping you from overbanking. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test it by, I guess by putting it in, assembling it, and then putting the balance in, and then see how they interact. Maybe I should do it like this then. I'm not used to doing it this way. I don't know. Where's the, I think it goes like this. Alright, now, let's say we put it like that for now. Maybe zoom in a little bit. Zoom in. Well, let's see, where is it? See, to me it's harder to grasp it, because the top plate is smaller diameter. Wait, that's why. Let me get better magnification. Okay, I think it's in now. It's in. And I don't want to tempt fate. So I'm going to put a screw in. You know, I hate it when it slips out like that. So I got one screw in, and I'm missing a banking pin. That stinks. And that's, it moves. Let's see, where's my balance? Where is that? It's that way. Okay. Let me get this in. And there's my balance cock. I'm gonna change magnification. Change magnification. Let's see if I can get it in. Oh man. Okay, and now where's the screw? Put the screw in. Why is that like that? Something's not right. So much gap over here. Oh, that's tight then. Why is it so tight like that? Okay, so now I see the balance moves better. Oh, it's overbanked. You know, piss me off. Damn it. It's overbanked. I hate it when I do that. Now is it in? I don't know. You know, that ticks me off. Okay, so now it's not overbanked. And these pins are really freaking tight. I don't want to break the staff. Okay. So now the balance moves freely and the lever moves too. Let me examine it under more powerful magnification. I'm going to hold it like this. The only problem is I'm missing a banking pin. I have to get a banking pin. I don't know, it moves better now. I don't know. Maybe that's what it was. I don't know. Okay, well, I'm going to see if I can get a banking pin before I put all this stuff back together again. Yeah, I found a donor banking pin. Installed it. So, I can put this back to assemble it. One of these days I'll have to clean and oil it, but I'm not doing that right now because I just wanted to see if I can get it to run. And I'll put it in the to-do list. One thing I say about these banking pins, whoops, I put it in the wrong container. You know, I see some of these watches and the banking pins are already bent. Why they bend them when they got a little screw thing on them that you just screw and then it, you know, you can adjust the position. I don't know why people do the things they do. They gotta bend it all out of shape. It'll probably take, let's see if I can put this back together. Pain in the neck. Oops. These pins are tight. Where would I put this? I think I put that there. Put that in there. And take this off. Carefully. I'll leave that there. Yeah, where's the pins? I don't know. I got 2 pins now. Found, like I said. I got to adjust it once I assemble it. I usually say 1/3 of the width of the jewel on the lever there. Let's see if I can get this together. Alright, I think this one goes here. And I think this one goes here. And then last is this one. Excuse me. I got twisted, turned around. This thing is a little dirty. I'm going to put it together like this. Put it together like this. Yes. See if we can do it. Oh, man. Of course I can do it. It's just doing it on camera. That's the tricky part. Doing it on camera. What a pain. Where is that? My arm is always sticking to stuff. Why does it have to stick? Maybe if I take it out of the holder. What am I trying to accomplish here? I should have left it in the holder. It's a pain in the neck now. I don't know. Now it's being a pain. Oh man. What am I doing? Maybe I should have left it in the holder. Is this on camera? I don't even know. Everything moves, that's the problem. Everything has to move. Oh, that's why. Yeah, it's being a pain in the neck. Oh well. I've done this before. Why can't I do it now? Okay, I got too much crap on this table. That's what the problem is. If I didn't have a lot of crap on this table, it would be easier. I had to clean up. Now I feel the loop slipping out of my eye. Everything is sticking to my arm because I have too much crap on this table. Man, this is being difficult. Truly difficult. I think I got it. Damn, that took a while. I had too much crap on this table. Every time I rest my arm down, then when I pick it up, I'm sticking to stuff. Yeah, okay. It sticks. Everything sticks. Pain in my neck. I like to complain. I don't know. I only got so many minutes before the battery dies. One of these days I get a new battery. Pain in my neck. Come on, get in the hole. Now, things were falling over. The lighting is really... Well, I didn't turn on the other light. And another one. How come that one's tight? Oh, that's why. See, I think they use like different screws for the balance cock and everything else. And this screw is the balance cock screw. I don't know why they just couldn't use the same screw for all these plates on top. Why they have to make them just different? You know, why do they have to make them different? Hopefully I can get that mainspring barrel in without a grief, because it was fighting me on the way out. Probably fight me on the way in. Whoops. I gotta see, how's that oriented? Okay, like this. See, it's a little snug. Just a little snug. Get this out of my way. Oh, that went right in. Whew, that was the easy one. Why can't they all be like that? I'll cover it. See? How come it doesn't want to go in? There you go. Let's see, one screw here, one screw here. And I got sting, and every time I put something down, I put it on top of something else, and then I need that something else, and then I gotta lift things up and get them out of the way. That's another bad habit I have. I'm always putting things down on top of other things. And these screws are tight enough. Okay. Now I just gotta get the balance in, and then we can see how it runs. And I had to check. See that pin on the lever? I had to check to make sure that it still does the that it won't overbank on you. That's what that little pin is there for. There's a cutout in the roller, so the thing doesn't overbank on you. So I checked that. you know, I moved the balance, whatever, and held it in place, and then I tried to move the lever the other way, and it wouldn't move. So I didn't bend the pin too far. I don't know why they bent the pin to, maybe they bend it to adjust that, but I mean, come on, that was overkill what they did. It's like they weren't even thinking when they were doing that. They just bent it. Unless it got bent in assembly. Well, I don't know how you bend it in assembly. I don't think I've ever bent one of those in assembly. Let me get this screw in partly then. You know, you see some of the stuff that was done, you're like, what the hell's going on? You know? What are these people doing? I mean, man, I don't know anything, but I know that much. It's like, you know, partial restoration. You gotta correct the mistakes from the previous morons. And then someone's gonna come along and correct my moronic mistakes eventually. But hopefully there won't be as many. Is this? Yeah, okay. This thing is filthy. Well, it's not filthy, but it definitely, it really doesn't want to free. Well, it's because, oh god, it was running too. How could it run? I didn't put any load on the barrel. Where did I put all those keys? There they are. I'm just gonna wind it up a little bit to see if it runs, and then that's it. I'm not gonna put the rest of it back together. I put a little bit. Oh, see, look at that. The MFB kicks right the freak off. And that's not even a full whine. That was only a couple clicks. And it wants to run like that. Wow. So all I have to do now is check that banking pin that I installed, and you do that. You know, they were intelligent back then. How can I put this? I don't want to damage anything. You see these two holes. Two holes right here. You can see where the jewel from the lever contacts the escape wheel. So that's how you adjust your banking pins. Because I've got one of these watches where I don't know what the hell they were doing. The jewel was like all the way into the escape wheel. I'm like, that's insanity. I don't know what the hell they were doing. That's why I'm saying some of the stuff I see. It's still running. I don't know if you can see. The lighting is poor. Do I have a better flashlight? I have a flashlight. Where's my flashlight? I used to keep a flashlight here. And now it's too bright. Look at that. See, it's too bright. Let's stop running. Yeah. I don't know if you can see. Maybe if I illuminate it like this. Yeah, you can see the thing rocking back and forth. Hey, let's get the macro on this crap. Will it focus? Yeah, so you can see the jewels and the escape will interact. So that's how you adjust the banking pins. Somehow it doesn't look like it's in beat. Anyway, okay, I'm satisfied with what I've done today. And I'm not going to finish putting this together, so do a group shot, call it a day. Thank you for your cooperation. I hope you enjoyed the program. Enjoy the rest of your day. We're going to let it go at, well, on this count it's going to be 5.